Good morning, everybody. A little bit late, but as promised, we are going to do the cooking activity. So that comes with came with the Fall Fest. We were doing oatmeal, and you were given an apple and some oatmeal. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you the important steps to take in order to get ready. And we are going to go from there and move into what our materials are and what we need to cook the oatmeal. So it is microwave oatmeal. It's pretty easy, but we're going to add a little bit of a twist onto it. So I am glad that you guys are tuning in, and I hope that you enjoy your oatmeal. It is still morning, so it's a great morning opportunity and meal. So the things that we need, you'll see I have out here. So we have three ingredients. So we have our apple, okay. And we're going to peel that, okay. Have a lot of cinnamon. We won't need very much of it, but we have cinnamon. And then we have our 2 oatmeal packets, okay. And we're going to use water. So we're going to take a look at that and what we need to do first. Okay, so what we have in terms of the items that we're going to use to make our oatmeal. So we have our measuring cup because we have to put water in the oatmeal, and the bowl, okay? We have those things. We are going to need to peel the apple, okay? So you need to remember safety. Parents, you're going to need to be here for this. So please remember that your children will need to know the rules and need help along the way. We want everybody to be safe, okay? And we have a sharp knife. So that's another be careful item. And we have, you can use a wooden spoon, you can use a plastic spoon, anything like that. We're gonna, again, cut the apple with the knife. So we need a cutting board. And you can either cook your apples in with the oatmeal. I'm going to cook mine in a little pan so that we can soften them up, okay? So I have a small pan. And again, kiddos, you can't be using the stove top or the microwave without having a parent present. You shouldn't use sharp objects like knives and peelers without parents, okay? So to be safe and be sanitary, first thing we do is wash our hands, okay? And the light over here is very bright because the window, but we use warm water, all right? And we have our soap. You can use whatever soap you like. Okay, you get your hands wet. 1 pump of soap and 20 seconds, right? You can sing happy birthday. I'm not going to sing, but I am going to get all of the different parts of my hands nice and soapy. Go in between my fingers, make sure we're clean, and then rinse. Okay. Again, it's warm water. You want to use warm water. Turn your water off and use a towel. You can use paper towel too, and then throw it out. Dry real well. Okay. So the first thing after washing our hands, so we know we're clean, I'm gonna peel the apple, okay? So we're gonna bring our camera over here. And I'm going to do this in the sink. Okay. So hopefully you can see that. So you'll peel the whole apple. Okay. And be very careful. Okay. You shouldn't have your hands or your fingers in the way of the peeler. All right. You have to do it slowly so that you don't cut yourself. Parents are going to help. Mom and dad, grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle, brother, sister, anybody that is older and can help you. Okay. Okay. Peeling doesn't take too long. You just have to be very careful. That's why you have an adult help you. Okay, I look to see if all of the peel is off, and it is for the most part. So we're good. Okay, and I'm gonna put that so you had to see my dirty dishes. But we're going to get our cutting board now. Okay, and I'm gonna cut. So again, we have our sharp knife, and I'm gonna point this down here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so you want to be very careful. Hands work very slow. You need to be very cautious and careful. We're going to cut this apple in half. Okay, and then we put both sides flat. Okay, so that we can cut it again. All right, each one of them in half again, very slowly. Now, Mom and Dad are going to help you with this again because we need to cut the core of the apple out. You see that middle part? We want to cut that out. So now we have just apple. Okay. So I'm going to do that with all of our slices. Okay. And cut that core out. Okay. And I'm going to throw the core in the trash. I don't need the core. But I am going to cut up our apple into somewhat small pieces. Very careful. Okay. Need to be careful. You can make as many as you want, but I mean, you don't need a ton of apples for your oatmeal. You are only making oatmeal 2 packets. So we're gonna put that in the pan, put our apples in here. Okay, and we're gonna let those cook a little bit. So I'll put that on the stove and I'll put it on medium. Okay, and we're gonna give that a minute. Okay, so our apples are cooking. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in there, just to get them cooking a little bit. Okay. While we're doing that, while these are cooking, make sure they're being stirred. Okay. We're gonna add our cinnamon to the apples. Okay. So we have a teaspoon that we're going to use, okay? And we're going to add the cinnamon to the apples. It'll start to smell really good here in a second. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit of water to our apple mixture. Again, to help them cook and get that cinnamon flavor into the apples. We want our apples to be a little bit soft. Okay. And you can add different things that you might like. So some people sweeten their oatmeal. We're going to do a little bit of sugar. So apple, cinnamon, and sugar. Okay. It's going to sweeten those apples a little bit and flavor them really good. Oh, we have jumping apples. Be careful. And we're going to let that cook and put the top on it just a little bit. Now, while we're doing that, we're going to start the oatmeal. So for the oatmeal, we need our bowl, okay? And we're going to follow the instructions. So the instructions are here. So everybody didn't get some instructions. But it says you empty the packet into the bowl and you add half a cup of water, okay? So we're going to do that. We are putting 2 packets, okay? Everybody got 2 packets, okay? And then we're going to do 2/3 of a cup of water for every packet. So if we have 2 packets, okay, we have 2/3 of a cup, okay? And we're going to do that 2 times. So here's one, okay? Here's another 2/3, okay? So you have lots of water, okay? Take a look in here, and you need a spoon to stir that up. And then we're gonna put that right into the microwave, okay? So we're gonna stir this up, okay? We're gonna open our microwave and put it inside. And so that we don't get anything on top of the microwave, nothing pops, I cover my food, okay? And we're gonna start with 1 minute, 100, start, okay? Now we're gonna check our apple, okay? About done. Looking really good. We're almost there. Got a bigger piece here that we're trying to get, okay? I'm gonna add a little bit more water, help them cook, okay? This will help the apples get nice and soft. And this, remember, when you're working with the stove, you need to have an adult. This is very hot, okay? You can see the steam coming from it. And they're getting a little bit softer, which is good. That's what we need. Now our minute's about up. So I'm gonna put the top back on this. Okay. Oh, there's our microwave. Okay. So we're gonna check and see what our oatmeal looks like. Bad idea. I put the paper towel on the stove. Don't ever do that. Okay. So here, it's almost done, but it's not there yet. So we need probably another 30 seconds. We'll do it by 30 seconds and see how it does. We're gonna put it back, okay? And we're gonna check our apples. That's 3-0, okay? And then start. And our apples should be about done. Pretty sure we're about soft enough. Okay. And if you want, you can push them up a little bit. You can use a potato masher or a whisk just to smash them up a little bit. Make them a little bit softer, okay? And we're going to turn the heat off over here. Heat's off. And we're going to take that off of the hot plate. We're going to, got lots going on right now. So we took our pan of apples off, okay? Off of the heat, and now we're going to see how our oatmeal's doing. Okay. It is steaming, but it is still not quite done. Maybe 20 seconds more. Depends on how you like your oatmeal. You can put it in for a couple more seconds, or we can leave it like this actually. It depends. It looks good to me, but if you like it a little bit mushier, then we'll do that, okay? So the next thing that we are going to do, I'm gonna come over here. We're gonna make sure that the flavor is right for our oatmeal, okay? We're going to add and use our spoon to add our apples and cinnamon, okay? And we're gonna put this in the sink because we're gonna need to wash that. And remember, you can add more to your oatmeal, okay? So we're mixing in our apples, okay? And maybe you want some more, cinnamon. Sounds kind of good, huh? Let's see a little bit more cinnamon in here. Okay. Maybe you like a little bit more sugar too, and that's okay. You like a little bit sweeter. So we get a little bit of sugar. Okay. And again, mix it up and let it sit because it's going to be really hot. I'm going to try it to see how it tastes, but I'm going to blow on it. Okay. So you can see it's steaming, super hot. It's not bad. Can use a little bit more sugar. So I like mine sweet. And I think that's about right. Now you have oatmeal, apple cinnamon oatmeal, okay? Enjoy. You don't have to put the cinnamon in it. You can. Enjoy it. Bye, everybody.